After experiencing account sync issues in CS2, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem effectively. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can cause sync issues. Try restarting your router or switching to a different network if possible. Step 2. Update CS2. Make sure that you have the latest version of CS2 installed on your device. Check for updates in the game launcher or platform you are using and install any available updates to ensure compatibility and bug fixes. Step 3. Verify account credentials. Double check your login credentials to ensure you are entering the correct username and password. If necessary, reset your password through the account recovery options provided by the game. Step 4. Clear cache and data. Clear the cache and data of the CS2 application on your device. This can often resolve sync issues caused by corrupted files. Go to your device settings, find the app, and select the options to clear cache and data. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists after following the previous steps, reach out to the customer support team for CS2. Provide them with detailed information about the problem, including any error messages you receive, to help them assist you more effectively. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve account sync issues in CS2. If problems continue, staying in touch with support can provide further assistance.